That slow, constant drip from your tap isn't just annoying, it's quietly wasting water and increasing your bill every single day. And the worst part? Most people think it's a complicated fix. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to fix a dripping tap in minutes. No special skills, no expensive tools. Let's fix it fast. Step 1. Turn off water. Before doing anything, you need to shut off the water supply. Look under your sink and find the isolation valves, usually one for hot and one for cold. Use a flathead screwdriver or turn the handles to close them. Once the water is off, open the tap to make sure no water is flowing. This step is very important to avoid any mess while working. Step 2. Remove handle. Next, remove the tap handle to access the internal parts. Carefully unscrew the handle and lift it off. Inside, you'll find the cartridge, which controls the water flow. Make sure to keep all screws and small parts in a safe place so nothing gets lost during the process. Step 3. Clean or replace. Now, take out the cartridge. This is usually the main reason your tap is dripping. First, check the cartridge carefully. Sometimes the problem is just dirt, limescale, or debris buildup. If it looks okay, you can clean it using water or vinegar. Cleaning alone can often fix the dripping issue. But if the cartridge looks worn out, damaged, or the leak continues after cleaning, then it's best to replace it with a matching one. Make sure the size and type are correct for your tap. Step 4. Reinstall and test. Now, place the cartridge back in position and reattach the handle securely. Now turn the water supply back on and test the tap. Let the water run for a few seconds and check carefully for any leaks or drips. If everything looks good, your tap should now be working smoothly without any dripping. And that's it. A simple fix that saves water, money, and gets rid of that annoying drip. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next video.